In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an About Us page on Shopify. An About Us page is one of the most visited parts of any store because it tells customers who you are, why you exist, and why they should trust you. By the end, you'll have a polished page that clearly represents your brand. First, open the Shopify website and head to your store's dashboard the way you normally do. Once you're looking at the admin panel, take a moment to get oriented. The main navigation lives on the left-hand side, and that's where you'll find everything you need for your storefront. Next, click Online Store in that left sidebar. This is the section that controls what customers see. Under Online Store, choose Pages. Pages is where static content like policies, contact information, and your About Us live. It's separate from products and collections, so it's perfect for telling your story. Now click Add Page. This opens the page editor where you'll set up the structure and content. At the top, you'll see a title field. Type About Us there. Keeping the title short and clear helps customers and search engines quickly understand the page, and it will usually appear as the page heading on your site. Below the title, you'll find the main content editor. This is where you enter your content. Think of the first few lines as your handshake. Briefly explain who you are and what makes your brand unique. Follow with a concise origin story, what you do, and the values that guide your work. If relevant, mention milestones, the people behind the brand, or what sets your products apart. Keep your tone friendly and genuine, as if you're speaking directly to a new customer. To make the page easy to read, break your writing into short paragraphs and use clear subheadings. The editor lets you adjust the size of your text, so feel free to increase the size for headings and keep body text comfortable for reading. This creates a visual hierarchy that guides the eye and prevents a wall of text. If a paragraph feels long, trim it or split it into two. Aim for clarity and authenticity over fluff, and remember that specifics build trust. Once you're happy with the title, the story, and the formatting, click Save. The Save button is usually at the top right of the editor. After saving, your About Us page is created and stored in your pages list, ready to be used on your storefront. That's it. You've opened Shopify, navigated to Online Store, created a new page, titled it About Us, added your content, adjusted the size for readability, and saved your work. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your story with your customers.